Welcome back to the FOFB, guys, and thanks for clicking on. We are at the Drifter Style Truck Show, and this is my last truck show of the year. This is like the Champions League, and it's the one I've looked forward to the most. We brought my girl, the XL. It's our first time visiting across the water. We're in Ireland, Northern Ireland, and there's trucks here came from like Norway and everything. You've got to see some of this kit. I'm gonna just get my truck in the wash here. We're gonna go through this show and show you and the pristine trucks that are here. Fraser and Campbell, we all came over this morning in the boat, but they left me because I had to go do some work.
Oh, work. You work hard, you really need to do that.
No. Your dad's worked harder, okay? I'm starting from the bottom. Look at them just taking their toys out the shed. I'd like to add, apart from taking some of my own stuff, this is the wash that Dave at Drifter Style and his team that have supplied. Right, that's her all washed now to get her into the shed and start the real cleaning. The main man himself!
Off the crack.
I'm going to come out and see you, buddy. I'll give you a cuddle, man. Fucking.
What's happening?
This is amazing, by the way.
Oh, lad. We're getting there. We're getting there.
Oh, you've got to be proud of me. I'm already blown away just by the setup.
You're going into the top end here with Callum and...
Dave, that is Drifter Style. He's the organiser of this show. You're going to be such a lovely gentleman, and just the attention to details, to be in awe of their passion to like start stuff. I mean, to just from driving to detail, beyond detail in trucks, to the connections, and he is well loved and respected. If you can see, there's guys travelling all over Europe for his show. Oh, this is going to be good. Oh man. We'll do a separate video on the Longline. What's that for?
So I can plug it in and then leave the lights on.
Oh, okay. Trickle charger, look fancy. I want one of them. Look at these trucks. Right, we'll do a video on all the trucks in a bit, but we've got to start clearing. So we've been parked up beside basically Lionel Messi and Ronaldo, and we're like a five-a-side football team, and you're taking the equivalent to the point. I've got my big drying towel, brand new, packing for it was cool. These boys have got like their own, we call it compressor and blower to blow the watermarks off. Right, so I've been on the fifth wheel, trying to tidy it up, make it look a bit more presentable, clean the sides, still working on that. On the sides, still got a bit to do there, got tyres to do, got the chassis to do, touch-up paint. Now you would have seen my wing tops were all pretty mangled and battered and ripped and torn. That's not exactly a good way to present in a show, is it? So, look at these lovely pearls, look at them! Four brand new wing tops, freshly painted. These are going to be my show wings. Stick them on, right, and then I'll remove them for the show. I kept them in the cab, so they'll just be kept for shows. So I'm just going to do everything I've got to do here and then put them on, and we'll start with the rest.
I feel like I need a stage name. You're filming me that much. I'm going to put an invoice in at the end of this.
A stage name? Yeah. No, I'm invoicing you for this.
No.
See, advertisement.
Advertisement?
Yeah. Yeah. See, I got your hoodie in that, see? No. I can tag you in the video.
You've got one of these hoodies as well, but actually I've never seen you.
I bloody do wear, you cheeky bugger.
Yeah.
Hello. Right guys, we're going to show you a wee top tip for wee chassis touch-up, right? If you don't know this already, you can get chassis paint, right? If you go to Scania Volvo and just ask them for chassis grey, they'll give you, if it's just standard chassis grey, they've got the paint code. Fraser, that, just shut up, you ignorant, loud bastard. Dick. This is chassis grey paint, right? So look, fifth wheel, grey chassis, and any colour your chassis, as long as you've got the paint code, right? So, as you can see, this side I've all just painted. See, we've not painted, look, you can see some rust water marks, just wee bits, and like you can see in the light, but look, if you can see that, just slight, right? Come over to the other side, right, but I've already done a bit. Look at the difference in that, right? It is just as easy as, like, just a wee example, right? You all watch your overspray. The difference, right? Just wee touch-ups like that make all the difference to your presentation at a show, right? So that's what I'm working on now, and I've got wee touch-ups on my catwalk, the white, put the wing tops on, and then we're going to start polishing the cab and getting everything else done. Well guys, the show is starting to fill up now. We've not stopped cleaning this, but we are nothing a shred close to this kind of kit. Look at that, that is just pure. We'll do a full walk around later on in the video. I'm just going to focus on what I'm doing right now. I just love doing this. This is, I'm having a great time. I know it sounds weird, but this is things I miss when I'm at shows, getting a properly deep clean. I bet you just love having the long line to polish. I just, all of that. I just when it would go, my short line. Guys, you see, we look a lot better now. Get some cleaning, wheels and whatnot. We done a bit of painting as well. And SN Team, the old company I used to work with, are parked next to me, which is nice. We've got Lee Holt, Simon Lee, and the bully. Some kit turning up like. Right, end of the first day, and we're going to the hotel. We've got to walk.
About 3 miles.
About 3 minutes.
We'd be as well walking to the hotel.
Oh, shut up, stop complaining. First world problems. At least you got a carry, but you'd have to walk for water. See you tomorrow. Booshed. Oh, right guys, the next day, more cleaning. I'm not well, I've got a bad ear infection, I've had no sleep, so I'm a bit crabby and not really up for this, but I'm still going to push on and enjoy it. Get cleaning, keep pushing. Fraser's brought the cavalry out for across the water, his brother and that are over, and John Templeton is also there. John Templeton, if you know, superhero, and his 143. Cambel's Longline is looking absolutely mega now. A bit more cleaning, and then I'm going to go for a walk around myself. Guys, that's the venue opening up now. Just all final wee touches, whatever we can do, and we're still going to be going. So like nice fluffy wee brushes to get in these gaps. Just everything cleaner than clean. One of my models was say over the model stand, and before I could even get a chance to run back and get the cash, this man's beat me to it. That's the first one I've seen in a very long time. I was not going to get this one done, but we're in talks about doing this one next. Like,
yourself.
Thank you. Thank you so much, man. Cheers to that. I'm finally getting to go for a walk around and enjoy the show. That is Valhalla. It's stunning. First time seeing this truck up close, and it is next level on paintwork. I mean, the peril, the airbrushing. the Drifter Style Show. Cambel won Best Interior. We've had so much of it.
Yeah, it's the only thing I never cleaned.
We're going to wrap up here. We'll get round what we think of the show. It's been a great show. But I want to get out of here first. It's everyone's leaving and pulling out. It's absolute chaos. So we've got a boat to catch. Right, that's the Drifter Style Show done. This is well done to Cambel for getting first prize for interior.
Thank you very much.
Not jealous. I'm not crying, you are. No, epic show. Dave and his team, this is the best show I've ever been to. The class, the company, everything about it was fantastic. Well, I thank them for inviting us and for the next one next year.
Yeah.
Wherever it may be. And all the trucks here were amazing. The guys were fantastic. Thanks everyone that came up and seen us. Thanks, just as always, guys. And yeah, fly out, Fabio. Guys, I'm just going to add one more bit to this video. This time last year, me, my business, my social media were in the ground, done. A lot of things happened in my personal life, and I said no. I said I was just tired, burnt out, and I was meant to be at this show last year, but I just couldn't do it, right? Personally, mentally, could not do it. This year has been a roller coaster for me, and I'm still going. And I said, I'm coming back. A new trailer, new truck, bigger and better work, and I want to hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I've nailed all them goals. And I get to wake up every morning right now with a smile on my face, even a bit of stress, but I'm in a very good place, guys, and thank you all. When I think where I was last year to this point, this year, never let any bad moments, these are just journeys to test us, right? And my greatest moments have came out my darkest times, so thanks to all of yous, right? But Cambel has done amazing, my mates, everything. Oh, I'm just very happy, thanks to all of yous as well, right? Fly out, Fabio, pushed.